Nikola's stock just crashed after announcing cancellation of contracts with Republic Services for 2,500 garbage trucks. This is big news, and while I am invested in the EV space, I own positions in NIO, XPeng, Li Auto, Tesla, and some other EV startups. Nikola is one I wouldn't touch at all, and I've never personally been invested in. Just recently, Nikola had a deal with GM where they were supposed to sign a $2 billion investment where GM would invest for $2 billion in Nikola. However, that deal fell through, causing the stock to drop significantly from all-time highs earlier this year. And now we're seeing this again. The stock dropped recently another 10% in a day and is down now another 5% after Nikola announced this deal with the cancellation of this contract for 2,500 garbage trucks. Announced back in August, Nikola had a deal to build garbage trucks in 2023 with on-road testing scheduled for 2024 with Republic Services. According to Nikola, the separation of the two companies was mutual, but in my mind, it doesn't seem mutual at all. Nikola is a company that hasn't been 100% truthful with investors and with the general public since it first IPO'd earlier this year, and I think most companies don't want to do business with them because they, bottom line, don't really trust them. GM didn't trust them. They announced a vehicle at first earlier this year that didn't even drive itself. They just pushed it down a hill. So most companies don't trust them. And in my opinion, that's the main reason why this contract fell through. But according to Nikola's CEO, Mark Russell, he said this was the right decision for both companies, given the resources and investments required. He explained how we support and respect Republic Services' commitment to achieving environmentally responsible, sustainable solutions for their customers. Nikola remains laser focused on delivering on their battery electric and fuel cell electric commercial truck programs and the energy infrastructure to support them. So he basically said it was mutual decision, which I think is completely false. I think it was all Republic Services' decision. But either way, Nikola's CEO says it was a mutual split, but that has caused the stock price to drop significantly recently. On top of this, other recent news with Nikola is that they canceled their Badger truck altogether. They're no longer going to make this, and they're only going to be focusing on the Nikola truck. In a statement from the CEO recently, he said that they'll begin delivering the Nikola Tre battery electric semi-trucks in 2021, and the company expects to break ground on its first commercial hydrogen station in 2021 as well. In 2023, they expect to produce fuel electric cell semi-trucks at its Coolidge, Arizona facility. But either way, me personally, I'm not going to be investing in Nikola anytime soon. That's not to say maybe down the road they could turn things around, they could turn a corner, and I have more trust in them. But after all of the recent developments, I couldn't recommend anyone to buy Nikola stock right now, especially with all of the drama and all of the untruthful things that have gone on with the company recently. You're much better off investing in a company like Tesla, NIO, Li Auto, XPeng, or really any other EV startup at this point, because they have been more honest and have been delivering on what they've said much more than Nikola has recently. But I just want to make this video to let you know why Nikola's stock has been dropping recently, because of this deal that fell through with Republic Services on the 2,500 garbage trucks. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.